Okay, hello everybody. This is the video forecast for, the forecast for Friday, June 28th. Okay, so basically what I said yesterday, I was talking about the point of control at the 7686 area for a couple of days right now. And that is continuing. And then I projected the price to be at the value area high and low. Right here, I talked about prices being at the value area high and low, and that was important. And one thing I left out from yesterday is that the market loves round numbers, so the 7,700 area, which was kind of in play here, is an area of resistance. Okay, so let's just look at the fib levels from last week and notice that price has pulled back to the precision trend stop on the daily bars, and the retracements here, and the low is here. So actually I had it right the first time. So from the weekly high and low 3 days ago, we came to the 61% retracement and then back up to the 38 here. And what's really interesting is we've had 3 doji bars in a row, inside days. An inside day is when price is inside of the previous day. So this is kind of unusual to see it like this. The range of the market has narrowed, and so there's a definite consolidation going on here, a really narrow range day. Actually, today was not an inside day. It was just outside of the range here, but definitely a doji bar. So we had 2 inside days here, and then this technically was not an inside day. But what this kind of action is telling us is the market is getting ready to make a big move, regardless of whether it's summer or not. This is going to resolve somehow, and what it looks like is really hard to say. I believe it'll pull back to this. This is the 20 SMA. These are all simple moving averages. This is the 200-day way down here. And so to me, it looks like it wants to test the 20, which will be rising up. So it's hard to say, but that's what I think. If it breaks out, then it's going to find resistance at the weekly high. Let's go back to our regular chart here. So this is today, and this area of high volume at the 7786 or 87 area is a very strong line of demarcation. It's been in play now for several days. And so here we are in the night session. I'm recording this video. It's about 1:40 Eastern Standard Time in the morning, and the market is finding support here. The high and low from today's value area is going to be the high of the value area is going to be 76.96, and the low of the value area will be 76.77. So these will be areas of support and resistance. But as I've always said, line of price at volume. So price at volume today continues at 76.87 area, 76.90, and then in the night session, that's confirmed here, but then we have another level here, so 7,700 remains resistance. What this looks like here is kind of a rising bottoms pattern. So I'm just going to draw a trend line. We'll see if it holds this trend line. And let's draw a little Fibonacci extension. Okay, I'm going to draw a fib extension, and the way I would draw it on this chart is I would take this low here and this high, and then this low. And here's our extensions to the upside. So 100% of the distance from this low to this high would be right here at this level, which would be basically the open of 3 days ago. So this area 7750 is a round number. So I would say the market would be looking for, on the upside, 7725 to 7750 on the upside, and it'll also find resistance here at the high of the value area from 2 days ago at 7720. And so let's see how this plays out tomorrow. So to recap, I would say on the downside, we have these areas of volume at price, 76.46, the low of the night session 2 days ago, 76.40, and the low of the day session is near enough. And then below there's this kind of high volume node at 76.20. There's a gap way down at 76.05, so in the event we get down here, we'll find some support. On the upside, we'll find resistance at 7700, 7725, 7750. Okay, let's see how that goes.